Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Moore County and central North Carolina, Montgomery County and central North Carolina, until 8:45 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles northeast of Ansonville, or 11 miles southwest of Troy, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Troy, Bisco, Mount Gilead, Robbins, Star, Candor, Uwharrie Haven, Steeds, Seven Lakes, and Eagle Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Montgomery, North Carolina. The National Weather Service in